Hi guys, we'll practice a 7 minutes breath work which you can do at the end of your practices or in whatever moment of the day you'd like to take a break. So we'll start right away, find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, and start breathing through your nose. First long inhale and long exhale through the nose, following your regular breathing rhythm. There is nothing to force here. Simply watch your regular breathing rhythm and pay attention to your lungs filling and then releasing. Good. So the exercise, the pranayama we will do today is called Nadi Shodana, and it will rebalance our left side of the body and the right side of the body. We will alternate breathing from the left nostril to the right nostril. We'll jump into it right away. So I invite you to take your index fingers and the middle fingers in between your eyebrows, and then you could use the thumbs in order to close the right nostril and your ring finger to close the left nostril when we will do so. So we'll start by closing the left nostril with the ring finger and inhale through the right nostril. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will close the right nostril with the thumb and exhale through the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll inhale through the left, 4, close it, and then exhale through the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll repeat it several times. So stay with me. Close the left nostril and inhale through the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close it, open the left, and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale through the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale through the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale through the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale through the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale through the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale through the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale through the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And exhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come to a regular breathing rhythm. Inhale and exhale at your own pace. And with your eyes closed, pay attention if you see any difference in your breath. Did it change anything on your left and your right nostril? Do you feel more clarity, balance, or perhaps nothing? You can let me know in the comments below. And simply let's stay here a couple of more minutes to really perceive our breath. And then, in order to activate our body a bit more, you can open your eyes here. In order to finish the practice, we really create energy for the day ahead or for whatever you want to achieve in your current life. So interlace your hands to the webbing like this and place them behind your head. And from here, we'll recalibrate again left and right, but in a much more energetic way. So what we'll do is inhale, come and rotate to the right, and exhale to the left. In, X, in, X, in, X. Then 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to center, rise both arms towards the sky, inhale to the top. 2 little sniff from the nose. Hold it here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big exhale through the mouth. Release your arms to your laps. You can stay with your eyes closed. Perceive the sensations you have created through your breath, how you manipulated your current state of being, agitation, clarity, serenity. What are the sensations on your head right now? And then with your next inhale, you can open your eyes. Thank you, friends. Thank you for making it so far. I really appreciate your time on the channel. And if you're really enjoying it, you can subscribe to the channel and perhaps invite your friends or whoever you think might like those practices to join us in our community here on YouTube. Thanks again for joining and for practicing with me. Namaste. See you soon. Ciao.